This is a brand new 2013 Toyota 4Runner SR5. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 4.0-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an iPod-ready stereo system, so you can take your music with you, aluminum wheels, roof rails, side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, dual power seats, cruise control, full power accessories, a HomeLink feature, and XM satellite radio, which streams commercial-free music, news, sports, and more. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.